Training barcode product section. To activate barcode, you go in administration, barcode. You have two kinds, 128B and UPC, and you have to put from 3 to 6 digits, and will allow manual universal creation. See barcode in product UPC, search, this is all product. We can look for single product barcode. We can select the barcode, delete it, edit, change it, or add barcode, selecting a product and adding color and size per size. Barcode can be imported in product, import, UPC. We import either Excel or text file. Look like this. We browse for this file. Import, we have validation, and we can import barcodes. Barcodes are exported from customer order, purchase order, cutting slip, and product. From customer order, you can send a customer order appropriate barcode, exporting. From purchase order, you can select a purchase order and create label, exporting. From cutting slip, you can select one cutting slip or a batch or work order number and export. We're going to export UPC, adding some option, and if not existing, they will be created. From product, you can export barcode without any inventories. Or you can export a specific inventory category. You can add option and include a price, like here, point of sales. In packing list, you can validate before sending the goods to the customer. You scan barcode, validate, and we can see that we have one missing item. In product, you can validate inventory, selecting one or many product. Next, you enter barcode, and we're going to display only the conflict item, comparing, and we can balance if we have the rights.